Hello, crafty friends. It's Tina Sutton with Miss Ginger Dots Designs. And today I am sitting here working on some last minute holiday projects. And as I was finishing them, I thought, these are too cute not to share with all of you. I love this double stuffed envelope because it gives you two pockets and you can fill the pockets with so many cute items and so many fun treats. Possibilities are endless. And the other thing I like about this pattern is you can make it in two sizes. You can make it 6x6 size or a 12x12. I'm going to show you both sizes. I'm going to make it with the larger size, and then at the end of the video I will show you the 6 and 5. It's actually 6x5 3/4. So I hope you enjoy this pattern as much as I do. The product that I'm going to use is a sneak peek. It will go live on January 7th, I believe, 2025, but it's really pretty. And although I'm mostly making Christmas patterns today, I am going to make a generic pattern now, so you can kind of see it, perfect for any holiday. So let's turn that camera around and let's get stamping. All right, let's get creating. So right now I'm going to show you what the project's going to look like. This is the smaller size. Like I mentioned earlier, you can make these in two sizes. You can use a 12x12 sheet of paper or a 6x5 3/4. So I'm going to give you the measurements for both sizes. This is a smaller size, and I thought I would show these, and then I'm actually going to make the sample with the larger size just because I think it'll be easier for you to see on camera. But these are so fun. They're like tuck-a-treat envelopes. So this one I tucked some money in it, and then a little candy cane. It's a double pocket. So you have a pocket here, a big pocket, and then a smaller pocket. So it's just fun for perfect treats. Think about like a pair of girls' earrings, a gift card. I have a gift card, a Starbucks gift card here. I'll be giving this one away tomorrow. And a candy cane. I just think the candy canes make it look festive. And then when I saw these little candy snowmen, I just put candy in this one. I'm going to give it to the neighbors' little their little kids, but I just thought it was so cute because it matched our snowman paper. So just kind of so fun. So you can use your imagination. You can stuff them with all kinds of things. If you have any great suggestions, please drop a comment below. But super fun, and you can be so creative with this. All right, so like I said, we're going to start with a 12x12 sheet of paper. And here is a sneak peek. So this is going to go live. This paper is going to go live January 7th. It is absolutely beautiful. It's called Mixed Media, and I just think it's so fun. I thought for the sample, I would make one that's not a holiday. It's just going to kind of be a generic. So you can see, like, you could use it for a birthday, or thinking of you, or get well. How cute would it be to put some tea bags? You know, somebody's feeling under the weather, tea bags and a little notebook or a book, anything. You can just, possibilities are endless. All right, let me grab my trimmer. So the fun thing about this is we are not going to cut at all. The only thing we're going to use is the light gray blade, which is the scoring blade. So we're going to score it on two sides at 3 3/4. So let me go ahead and score one side. I run it a couple times because I want these edges to be nice and sharp. So I kind of go back and forth a couple times. And then I'm going to flip it around and do the other side at 3 3/4. All right, there you go. And now on the bottom side right here, I'm going to score at 3 1/2. So it's 3 3/4 and 3 1/2. Now I will have, I do have a tutorial for this, and this will be going out tomorrow for all my newsletter holders. So anyway, here, I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see the score lines. Maybe you can. It's scored here, here, and here. So I want the flowered side to be my outside. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to fold. And I'm going to use my Stampin' Up! Bone folder so I can get these edges really nice and crisp. Alright, now I can leave it like this and fold it up and have a double pocket, but if you notice on my little samples, I turn the corners down so you see the other side of the print. I just think it makes it a little more interesting. You can leave it like this, or you can fold the edges down. When you fold the edges down, you want to get it as close to the edge as you can and as straight as you can. So I'm not going to bone fold it yet. I'm going to get both sides because I want to try to get them to match. So I'm just going corner to corner. I guess I could use my scoring blade for that, but I'm taking a shortcut and seeing. Okay, because if it's off, you can generally, yeah, that looks good, especially since I'm on camera. It's always so much harder to make things on camera. Actually, make sure that's straight. Now I'm going to take it and use my bone folder to press that edge down really, really well. Uh-oh. There we go. All right, now this side's going to be held down when I glue it, so I'm going to just adhere a little bit of the Stampin' Seal. I like using the dark blue Stampin' Seal for this. I think it holds it really well. I do not recommend anything too light. I've tried it with the glue, so-so. I've tried it with the tear and tape, and that worked really well. But I don't have any tear and tape handy, so I just decided to use the Stampin' Seal. And I'm just going to go down the edge of this one and down both edges. And we're going to fold it down and press really well. All right, then this fold is going to fold up, and that's going to make my second pocket. So I have one pocket here, one big pocket, and then one smaller pocket. And what I like to do is line it up and then again really press down with my bone folder and get these creases nice and crisp. All right, and then I just take this and I do a square. I go all the way around. And I'm going to just press it down really, really well. And that is the base of this cute double pocket holder. Of course, it's cute, but we can make it so much cuter, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this for a generic gift. And I don't want to spend a lot of time. You can decorate it any way you want. But I find that these come in so handy. These are all of the Christmas, I forget what you call them. They're the punch outs, the die cuts. And I love these tags, so I thought it would be fun to use a tag. Let's use this one. I think this would be a good size to use. Just, it makes it easy, especially at this time of the year, right? So I'm going to give you another sneak peek. Are you ready? Again, getting released the 7th of January. This is a birthday celebration, but I don't want to make this birthday. I just want to make it generic. So I'm going to use well, let's see. I could use Happy Day, or, you know what? Let's make this a celebration. Let's do Hooray. Let's do Hooray. So let me find the Hooray. Here we go. And my block. I should have a block around here somewhere. There it is. A good tip on getting your blocks straight, sorry about that glare, is I just like to stick this down straight, especially the glass mat. I can see that it's lined up. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing because I'm off camera. Okay. Yeah, you're going to see a little bit of a glare. Let's see. No, you know what? Let me try. Oh, let's go up this way. Okay. So I'm lining the bottom of the word Hooray up on this line right here, so I know that it's straight. And then I'm just going to take my block and pick it up. And that way you get it, your stamp on straight. Okay, and here is my, I don't know if you can see it, my little tag. It's got a little bit of gold on it, which I thought would be pretty. And let's use Misty Moonlight. Going to ink it up. You know, I really need, I've never used this stamp, so I'm going to season it. All right, let's just season it on this paper. Season it means stamp it and then just kind of twist it. I'm trying to get that stickiness off of it. All right. One more time. All righty, now I'm going to stamp hooray. Do I want to go that way or this way? Let's go this way. Let's do hooray right there. And there you go. Perfect little hooray. Okay, so funny because I'm looking at it and to me it looks funny now. Like, do you ever do that? Like, you look at a word, you know how to spell it, you know it's spelled correctly, but when you look at it too much, it just looks kind of funny. That's how hooray is looking right now to me. All right, this is the little flower right there. Oh, no, that's the wrong flower. Let's see. Where's, here, I'll use the bigger flower. Not wrong flower, there is no wrong, but I wanted to use the bigger flower. And we're going to stamp that in petal pink. Petal pink is this pink right here. I'm just going to stamp one right there. And you know what, why not? Why not one right there? All right, let's do two. I usually do things in three, so that's unusual for me. All right, and now I'm going to pick up the leaves. And we're going to use Old Olive. Open it up. Again, this is just a quickie. This is not anything major. This is just a fun little happy. I'll have this ready to give to somebody. There we go. Hooray. So just simple and cute and fun. All right, I've got ink on my fingers, but we're just going to go with it. Okay, so I absolutely, and you know, I really need to, move this out of here because it's going to, that blue is going to smear because that was a glossy. Let's just do that. There you go. Okay, so now let me grab our petal pink ribbon and I'm going to tie a bow around here. I'm just going to cut some off. And I want to tie this tag, so this is not a Stampin' Up product, that's just something that I have around. We do have twine. I don't know if we have it in this color or not. I know that I don't own the Stampin' Up color, if we do, yet. I don't know. I really don't know if we have it. I just had this and I grabbed it. And I like using it for tying tags on packages, so I have all my colors out because I am gift wrapping today and tomorrow. So again, I'm not even going to measure that. I'm going to tie this as I tie my ribbon here. I'm going to tie the hooray bow in the middle. I don't know if you know what, I was going to do a bow, but I don't think I did it big enough. So I'm going to make sure this is nice and tight. We're just going to do a fancy knot. And that's not doing anything. That's got to go in between here. I'm fumbling. I have fumble fingers, right? Okay. So, again, let me make sure the ribbon is straight. I'm going to tie this in a knot. I haven't pulled it tight yet. I'm going to pull that tight now. Okay, come on. Be nice to me, ribbon. Let's pull this nice and tight. So there we go. We have just a nice little all right, there we go. We have just a nice little ribbon with a gift tag. I can write a message on the back, and I have a double pocket. Let me show you what this size looks like. This is another pattern out of the mixed media. this is what it looks like when it's all stuffed. Okay, so for this one, I stuffed some craft supplies in it. A York peppermint patty in the front pocket right here, and then did Happy Day. So there you go. That's the patterns. That's the big size. And let me show you the smaller sizes so you can compare. And that is it. You can visit my website, msgingerdots.com, and measurements will be up there for you, as well as this video to reference if you're watching me on YouTube. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this project. Happy creating. And ho, ho, ho. 7 days to Christmas.